I'm Princess and we're here to present the assigned recipe named Potato Donut. Here are the following ingredients to be needed. Mashed potato, sifted flour, sugar, butter, baking powder, milk, and beaten eggs.
Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm here to show you the procedure of how to make a potato donut.
First thing to do, mix mashed potatoes together with sifted flour, sugar, baking powder, and mix well. After mixing all the dry ingredients, add all the liquid ingredients such as milk, beaten eggs, and butter. Hi, I'm Shella. I'm here to show you how to knead the dough mixture.
First, dust some flour on the table. Then put the dough mixture. Then knead it until it's ready for frying. Here are some of the dough mixture that has been cut and formed into a circle and it's ready for frying.
Hi, we are the Shari's Cooking Angels. Here's our finished product.
Use your creativity to make it more attractive and presentable.
Best served with hot choco.